Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Valorant System Reboot Required loop using a few simple steps. First, we will make sure the Vanguard service is running correctly. Press the Windows key and type Services, and press Enter. A new window will open with a list of services. Scroll down and find a service called VGC. Right-click on it and choose Properties. Set the startup type to Automatic. After that, click the Start button if it is not already running. Click Apply and then OK. Once this is done, restart your computer. If the issue is still there, we will disable Windows Test Mode. This mode can stop Vanguard from working properly. Click on the Start menu and search for CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the command window, type bcd-edit set test signing off and press Enter. You should see a message that the operation completed successfully. Restart your PC after this step. If Valorant still asks for a reboot, we will reinstall Riot Vanguard. Open Control Panel and go to Uninstall a program. Find Riot Vanguard in the list and uninstall it. After uninstalling, open the Riot client or start Valorant. The client will automatically reinstall Vanguard for you. When the installation finishes, restart your computer one last time. After your system boots up, open Valorant again. The System Reboot Required loop should now be fixed. Thanks for watching.